ndethiaga ngũcaria ngũ rũcinĩ o mũthenya na ngũ icio rĩngĩ nĩ ngororaga na ngaremwo ngaigua ngĩhihia nĩ ũndũ wa ndogo ĩkanjita ngĩka atĩ ngĩhuha ũguo ngũhuhaga no nĩ ndĩciotete ihinda inene mũno tondũ ndingĩhotana na ngasi tondũ ndingĩkĩhota kwa afford.
It's not only carbon monoxide. Actually, one of the causes, the biggest problem is the particulate matters. The particulate matter is usually the one that we call PM 2.5. Is the one that is associated with pneumonias, is the one that is associated with asthma, and so on. And it is usually brought around by fuel for cooking.
If we want to deliver a truly clean, truly efficient solution to users across Africa, it needs to be affordable for them. Where we've seen a lot of impact on that today is with carbon and climate financing, where carbon financing is able to come in and help us subsidize the cost of the stove to the end user. So we can bring a stove down from, say, $50 cost to just a few dollars of cost. In some cases, a 90-95% reduction in cost.